How does a washing machine work? A washing machine works by agitating clothes in warm, soapy water. But what actually causes it to spin, and what parts it consists of? Let's see what is inside a typical washing machine. At the back of the washing machine, there is a hot water and cold water inlet. Some washing machines have only cold water inlet and heat up their own water, but that depends on the design of the machine. Next we have solenoid valves. They open to let the water flow into the detergent drawer. The detergent is washed down through a water flow pipe and into the drum. Now the drum itself is really two drums, a plastic watertight tub and a metal drum with the holes in it so that the water can flow through. As the water sits in the bottom of the drum, it is heated up by a heater. As the water fills up, the pressure chamber fills up and squeezes air up to the water level regulator, which, when there is enough water in the drum, tells the solenoid valves to switch off and stop the water flow. On the front of the drum there is a very large weight, a counterbalance weight, and there's another on the top. They are to give the whole machine a bit of stability and stop it from wandering off the door when it's on its fastest spin cycle. But what causes the washing machine to spin? At the back of the machine there is a motor which is bolted to the bottom of the tub, and that in itself acts as another counterweight. The turning belt and the pulley are attached to the drum through the watertight seal and a set of bearings. When it's time for the machine to empty, the drain pump pumps away the wastewater up through the waste pipe. On the front of the pump housing there is a luff filter that catches any debris and stops it going through the pump. The brains of the operation is the control module. It makes all the important decisions about when to let the water in, when to drain the water out, what temperature to heat the water to, and how fast to spin the drum at the end of the cycle. The control module is also connected to the door interlock that makes sure that the door stays firmly locked whilst the machine is in operation. That brings us to the end of this presentation. Thank you so much for watching. Credits to Amazing eSpares YouTube channel for information on how a washing machine works. Illustrations and voiceover by Sylwia Staszewska. Music by Ben Sound. The end.